Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to recover unsaved files in Adobe Photoshop on Windows after an unexpected crash or power failure. This emergency process forces Adobe Photoshop to extract background backup files so you don't lose hours of editing work. First, simply relaunch Photoshop. If the application closed abnormally, its internal recovery engine rules will instantly kick in and open your last active project tile automatically with a recovered tag in the file name. If the app opens completely blank, you must locate the hidden system cache manually. Press the Windows key and R simultaneously to trigger the Windows 11 Run dialog box. Type $AppData into the input line and hit Enter to jump straight into your system roaming directory. Inside the file layout, double-click the Adobe folder, double-click the Adobe Photoshop 2026 folder, and locate the directory explicitly labeled AutoRecover. Open that folder to reveal hidden backup assets ending with a .psb file extension. Right-click the file, select Open With, and click Photoshop to reload your lost Canvas workspace in real time. To ensure this system rule runs tighter next time, click the Edit menu at the top left of Photoshop, hover over Preferences, and click File Handling. Look under the File Saving Options block and make sure the checkbox explicitly labeled Automatically Save Recovery Information Every is turned on. Click the adjacent Duration drop-down menu and change it from the default 10 minutes down to 5 minutes. Then click OK to lock in maximum data safety. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.